Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to turn off private on Instagram. We start by opening Instagram and entering our profile. Next, click on the top drop-down menu. Here we will click on the Account Privacy option. After that, we can deactivate the private account option and confirm the action with Switch to Public Account to leave our profile public. Keep in mind that since it's public, anyone will be able to see your information and use your content by default. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.